Changing your cylinder is a quick and easy DIY job. There are just 5 simple steps to follow. Firstly, you need to choose the right replacement for your door. To work out which cylinder you will need, you'll need to measure the size of your existing cylinder. To do this, open the door and locate the center screw. The measurement you need to take are from the middle of the center screw hole to the face end of the lock on each side. You can do this without having to remove the existing lock. This will give you 2 measurements, for example 60 and 40 millimeters. It is important to know which measurement is for the external side and which one is for the internal side, so make a note when you go shopping for your replacement. We'd recommend a 3-star BSI kite mark cylinder for maximum security. Cylinders also come in different finishes, including brass and chrome, so choose the finish to best suit your door. Once you have your new cylinder, you will need to remove your door handle. To do this, simply open your door and unscrew the fixing screws. Once you've done this, pull each side of the handle away from the door and leave in a safe place. Next, remove the cylinder fixing screw, which is level with the bottom of your existing cylinder. Then insert the key in the cylinder and turn to remove. If you find this difficult, just twist the key slightly. This will ensure the cylinder slides out easily. It is important to remember that the Yale Platinum Series cylinders have an external side and internal side due to the snap protection. Insert the key into the new cylinder body, align the cam and then place into the lock. Again, you will need to twist the key slightly to ensure the cylinder slots in. Replace the cylinder screw and secure your new kite mark cylinder in place. Now replace the external and internal handle. Checking everything is fitted correctly by lifting the handle and twisting the key. That's it, your new cylinder is now installed. For more information on Yale's range of cylinders, please visit yale.co.uk.